Sa mga nagsasabi, nagtatanong ba't wala pa kami podcast misis. Medyo busy lang kasi kanina lang naglipat kami ng bahay. And syempre, future family, kids. So marami muna kami nasikaso. Pero yung every weekly entertaining music, nandiyan naman. Yung podcast na yun lang ha. Para lahat ng katanungan nyo, try namin i-live ng studio house para mapag-interact sa inyo, lahat ng questions nyo. Total, kayo na rin nagsabi, ayaw kami bayaran, di ba? Wala man lang gas money kung mag-guest sa mga podcasts or TV shows, mga big networks or big companies. And dito na lang work from home, di ba? So, yun. And then, continue to give advice, especially for health and fitness. And kung gusto nyo magtanong o relationship or financial, it's up to you. Basta yun lang, do what works for you. Tama kayo. Mali ako, I'm not your doctor. You know what's best for you. You know your body best and yung galing yun